Okay, well now we're going to do drawing number 5, and you should have this shape on your paper. And the front view, straightforward, but hey, why don't we look at this with the three-dimensional, and I'll just set this to the front view where we just see this front. Okay, there's our front view. That's what we're going to go for here. So I count my spaces, and I know that I go up 5 spaces on the front, and you have a graph paper on your thing that shows that. I think I'm in the wrong setting here. I need a line. There we go. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with anything that has a diagonal or a curve, I like to set the endpoint. So 1, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, and then up 1, 2 spaces. Now you can see I have my bottom endpoint and my top endpoint to easily do a diagonal. If I try to do the diagonal before that, it doesn't seem to work out for me very well. Now I'm going to go over here to the red to do some projection lines, and go up from every corner of the front view. And I'm going to do the top view. So let's go check out what that top view would look like. I think I can zoom in on this a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to go up and down, yeah. Hold this down. And there is the top view. A little square with a rectangle right next to it. So, here we go back to Auto Sketch, and that should be pretty straightforward. Just a couple of boxes, one square using my projection lines, and then another rectangle, using my projection lines. Those lines act as a nice guide for me. Speaking of projection lines, that's step 4. So I'm going to go into step 4, come across, and make projection lines going to the right from every point, every corner on the right side. For every point, going off to the right from every corner on the front view. There we go. And if I get it at some point, then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go back to box again. But how do I know what this looks like? Well, forgot to show you the educated drawing. So if I reset it to this, and then I bet I can even zoom in on this a little more. There we go. Now I'm going to come over here and grab this and pull it around. And there we go. That's what it would look like. So now I go to Auto Sketch and draw that. And I have those projection lines to guide me. And I'm and now you see this nice orthographic drawing is all done. Of course, again, you wouldn't have that up there. That's just for us to look at, and you kind of, while you see this video, you see this happening. So now you're ready to go on to number 6. Congratulations. Or you're ready to do this at least, and then go on to number 6, which is good.